Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project World's Smallest Laptop, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Here we demonstrate the working of the smallest laptop. This project can be carried around with additional features needed for ethical hacking. The components needed here are Raspberry Pi 4, 8.9 cm touch LCD display, 5.43 cm touch e-ink display, 5-volt battery, charging IC, along with necessary case and wires. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.